Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can check unit root of your time series data in eView. Friends, it's very much simple. You just need to put your data into eViews. In the previous video, I will show you how you can insert your data in eViews. You may find the link in description as well. Now moving towards unit root. So first of all, I would like to check the unit root of FDI. I just open it, click on views, click on unit root test, and now I don't need to change anything. I just click OK. Now here you see the result. Now I'll show you what are the conditions when data is stationary or non-stationary. Now here you see data is said to be stationary when the probability value is less than 5%. It means if the probability value is less than 0.05 or 5%, then your data is stationary. Now in our case, the value of probability is more than 5%. It means our data is non-stationary at level because we have checked the stationarity at level. Now what we need to do is we should check the unit root by taking first difference. Now here I will show you how you can see the first difference. We don't need to change anything, just we need to change it to first difference and click OK. Now here you see the data is the probability is less than 5%. It means FDI is stationary at first difference. Now I'll show you the second variable, that is exchange rate. We'll do the same thing, but we'll first check at level. That is by the way by default, and click OK. And here you see that is less than 5%. It means our data for exchange rate is stationary at level because probability value is less than 5% or 0.05. And sometimes the data is not even stationary at first difference. Then you need to do is you should check it to second difference. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you like this video.